Hey everyone, this is Dr. Tim, and this is bear position as well as bear crawl. So we'll start on our hands and our knees. So hands directly under our shoulders, knees directly under our hips, and then we're up onto our toes. Chin is nice and back, not jutting forward, and we're pushing the ground away with our shoulder blades. From here, we're going to load into our hands and our toes and just lift our knees off the ground just an inch. And back down and lift. And that's bear position, so as I'm lifting, I'm not moving any of the other parts of my body, it's just knees off the ground. And to make this more challenging, we can add movement to it. So into bear crawl, again, maintaining our spine position. We can start walking back, forward, and go side to side. And then we can even have a little more fun with it and start going in circles. All while maintaining that neutral spine position.